Welcome to your comprehensive KuCoin tutorial. Let's master deposits and withdrawals for seamless crypto transactions. First, complete KuCoin's identity verification process. It's essential for account security and smooth transactions. Navigate deposits easily on web or mobile. Each offers unique advantages for your crypto journey. Choose the right account and cryptocurrency for deposits. Let's unlock the secrets of smart selection. Master network compatibility to avoid costly mistakes and ensure smooth crypto transfers. Understand deposit confirmations and blockchain traffic. Knowledge is power in managing transaction expectations. Prepare for withdrawals by ensuring full account verification. Let's set you up for success. Learn withdrawal wizardry. Selecting tokens, inputting addresses, and choosing the right chain for your needs. Understand withdrawal processing times and potential delays. Navigate the waiting game with confidence. Learn to track your transactions like a pro. Easily verify withdrawal records for peace of mind. Discover KuCoin's fee-free internal transfers. Maximize efficiency and save on transaction costs. Implement essential security measures for worry-free crypto transactions. Your fund's safety is paramount. Ready to master KuCoin? Click below to create your account and start your crypto journey now.